Hello everyone. Welcome to this exciting chapter in our journey to develop that 50 an open source calculator that aims to bring back the magic of those legendary app models. Today, we're thrilled to show you the very first prototype of its casing, designed in FreeCAD and carefully 3D printed in gray resin. In this video, you will see the 3D modeling process, where every line and curve takes shape on the screen before being brought to life on our resin printer. We chose a gray tone that instantly transports you to the aesthetics of those iconic calculators, while adding our own personal twist. The initial results are exciting, but they also show us the realities of prototyping. Some keys ended up breaking off because the walls were too thin. It's a reminder that every ambitious project requires constant adjustments and improvements. Even so, seeing this first prototype fills us with enthusiasm and pushes us to keep refining the design. We invite you to join us on this thrilling journey, where we'll learn from our mistakes, perfect each detail, and ultimately turn that 50 into a calculator that not only works flawlessly but also inspires other creators. Thank you so much for joining this adventure. Stay tuned, because we'll soon share more progress and new solutions to take that 50 to the next level. See you next time.